I apologize, the video cut off before I finished. When you're placing your footings, just make sure that they were centered. So now I've reset my temporary hide isolate so I can see the full building. And I'm on step number 11. So in the properties, I want to edit the view range. So I'm going to come over to the properties box and scroll down until I find view range. And the view range was talked about, as you can see, so it's showing you the depths and the heights in which you're looking at the view. So I am going to adjust the cut plane. And the cut plane, you can see, is number, let's see, 2 right here. And that's where, when you're looking at a plan, they're typically cut 3 to 4 feet above finished floor. But I want to adjust the cut plane offset so that it's 1 foot. And what this is going to do, it's going to hide any elements that should not be part of the foundation plan. And it will provide a little more clarity when looking at the drawing. So I'm going to say apply. I'm going to click OK. And now any elements that weren't part of that plan do not show up anymore. If you want, you can also change the shading on this if it makes it easier to read. So we see the footings, then the foundation wall, and then the bearing wall underneath it. And in 3D view, just so you can see, here's the footings that we put in, and then here's that foundation wall.